Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salim Rashid and welcome to Food Street. Just because summer is around the corner, so I thought I'll start sharing some of the amazing barbecue recipe with you guys. Something you can enjoy. And starting off with the spicy chicken tandoori wings, जो कि बहुत amazing होंगे, बहुत epic होंगे, and it's going to be stunning. So this is something you would love. So guys, get ready. So to make our ultimate chicken tandoori wings, first thing we would need is half a cup of yogurt, which is what we are going to add. And we are going to add half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm also going to add a tablespoon each of cumin seed and coriander seed, which is something I have mixed together. और इनको ग्राउंड कर लिया था मैंने. Zira जो है barbecue की specialty है, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder and half a tablespoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of chaat masala and half a teaspoon of garam masala as well, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, salt 3/4 of a teaspoon or as per your taste, red food color 1/4 of a teaspoon. Before adding any lemon, I'm going to zest it first, which is important phase. So I would need you to zest it. उसकी वजह से taste जो है overall amazing हो जाएगा इसका. Barbecue में इसका overall taste बहुत बेहतर हो जाता है lemon zest add करने से. So that's a special trick I wanted to share it with you guys. See, मैंने half a lemon को almost zest कर लिया है. And now I'm going to add half a lemon, or if you happen to have a lemon juice, feel free to add it. 2 tablespoons is gonna go in. Very important, marination में oil चाहिए होगा, तो you feel free to add about a tablespoon of oil or olive oil. So this part is optional. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So our marination is now ready. Let's start mixing it. So now our marination is ready. We need to add chicken to it. So for the final part, I'm going to add our chicken wings. Personally, मुझे split wings tandoori style के नहीं पसंद, but feel free to use it. But I think my chicken wings are struggling. My bowl size is a bit small, so I'm going to add all the masala and everything into this bowl, which is a bit bigger. So as you can see, मेरी chicken wings पे मसाला अच्छे से लग चुका है. मैं इसको रेफ्रिजरेट करूँगा for at least 3 hours. So now that our grill is hot and ready, it's time to put our chicken wings. मैं इसको indoor grill पे cook कर रहा हूँ at 350 degree, but feel free to cook it on the regular barbecue. So one of the crucial steps at this stage is don't forget to apply a bit of oil. This is a crucial step. और इससे ये है कि barbecue will shine.